This is going to be a reading for soulmate twin flames. Okay, so this is going to be applied to all signs possibly, but let's see where things go. Right now, the current energy. Let's pull two cards for what's really happening in soulmate twin flames connections, relationships. What's really happening in soulmate twin flames connections. I hope you guys are doing well. Right now, many of you guys are thinking logically, practically, not wanting to think emotionally. Many of you guys could have gone a little cold towards your partner, not wanting to be all emotional, not wanting to possibly forgive anyone, just wanting to do your thing. You have your sword up. So if this person comes back to you giving some petty reason as to why they left or giving you an excuse, you're going to give it right back to them. You're going to say something that's going to possibly hurt them. You're not going to be in that all lovey-dovey energy. I see you being a little pissed off as well. I'm picking up on that energy where some of you are a little mad. Okay, with Three of Cups, mad as in a little upset. Okay, many of you guys don't get the word sometimes. With Two of Wands, you guys are at crossroads right now. You guys are figuring out whether you should just move on to something better or see where things go. But I do not see you very much willing to be a part of the connection that you are in right now, or not very much open. Okay, I won't say that you're quitting, but I feel like you guys are at crossroads right now. You guys are thinking of the possibility of what's next, where to go from here, or if this thing does not work, what next. Okay, so yeah, regarding your person, let's take one card for soulmate twin flames. How is your person coming in towards you? How is your person coming in towards you? One card for how is the soulmate twin flame coming in towards you? All signs included, all signs collective. One card for that, please, correct. Your person is basically wanting to get back to you. Okay, with Eight of Wands and the Sun card, if this person hasn't messaged yet or communicated yet, I believe this person will communicate. This person, for some of you, this person is wanting to keep things very casual. Okay, they are not really wanting to commit or any of like anything that strong. Okay, I feel your person is wanting to keep things casual, wanting to just keep a friendly thing going on. Okay, Three of Cups is where someone is wanting to reunite, like basically wanting to get together. Okay, so what's going on in their mind right now? What's going on in your soulmate twin flame's mind? What's really going on in your soulmate twin flame's mind right now? One card for that. With Three of Pentacles, they are basically wanting to partner up. They do not want to lose you. Okay, in the past, this person went cold towards you. They even could have said something that could have hurt you. With Queen of Swords, they were very rash and rude. Okay, right now with Temperance card, I see them wanting to balance up this connection, or basically wanting to make things easy and normal between the two of you. Okay, so that being said, let's start your how they are thinking of you now. One card for how is your person basically thinking of you. Pull this card to how is your person basically thinking of you at the current moment. How they're thinking of you at the current moment. Soulmate twin flame thinking of you at the current moment. Your person is basically wanting to communicate. Okay, with Ace of Swords, I see this person wanting to reach out. I see this person wanting to basically start communication. Ace of Swords is a card of communication to me. Okay, in the past, this person was holding back. In the past, they were focused on their own life. They were focused on their career, their future, their life, their family. With Judgment card, I see them making a decision of communicating with you. Okay, so let's take your other cards. Currently, tell me what's happening in terms of their energy towards you. What's their energy towards you? One card for soulmate twin flames current energy towards you. Soulmate twin flames current energy towards you. With the Fool card, this person is wanting to basically reach out. Okay, that's the card for me. In the past, with the Devil card, they were obsessed with you. This person is literally obsessed with you. They cannot cut out from this connection. With Empress card, I see this person wanting to, restart or basically reconnect. Usually, Empress is about growth, about moving forward, about growing something real together. But I see this person wanting to move in that direction, but taking things very, very casually. Currently, with Five of Cups, I already pulled this card. I see your person missing you terribly, being a little upset with what they have said and done to you. I don't understand this connection and this person. Your person says things on a normal basis and then gets upset about it, and they keep doing it over and over again. My one advice to you would be, when you let someone do it to you over and over again, they get used to it. Okay, and when they get used to it, they feel like you won't mind, and they think of you as someone who will take them back no matter what. And once that person is in that mindset, trust me, your person will never take you seriously. So take a stand for yourself. If you want to not give them attention, if you want to not show them any emotions, empathy, nothing, that's fine. You should draw a line. You should tell this person or make this person believe, truth be told, that you are not deserving of such petty treatment. Okay, so how this person thinks about you currently? One card for how your person thinks about you. How does your person really think about you currently? What do they think you are up to? What does your person think you are up to? Your person thinks that you are holding back right now with the Emperor card. They feel like you are focused on your finances, on your career. You are not wanting to give in. Okay, they know deep down that you had something real for them. They know that you were focused on them. But right now they know that you are not going to take their BS. Okay, you're not going to basically let them play with you or get all I would say, get you all messed up again. With Emperor card, they know that you are going to be firm on not wanting to give in this time. They see you as someone who is basically holding back, someone who is not wanting to basically show any sort of interest towards them. With King of Pentacles, you might have totally focused or focusing on your career or your work. Okay, so regarding that, give me one card for their current feelings towards you, soulmate, twin flames. What are their current feelings towards you? If we may ask Spirit, one card for what are their current feelings towards you. That is all those who are watching this, soulmate, twin flame collective. Okay, with Seven of Pentacles, this person in the past could have wanted to, propose to you or get married to you, but things went down. Currently, with Seven of Wands, they are not completely open. But with Seven of Pentacles, they will take time to open up emotionally. Okay, I see them being very fearful of losing you, having regrets for treating you the wrong way. Seven of Pentacles is a card for me where this person feels this connection has taken way too long to get to something stable. I know that they might be responsible for not having got the stability with you, but this person still watches the relationship as something or that did not get anywhere even after putting in efforts and basically holding on. Okay, I believe for many of you this is not a new relationship. This relationship has been going on for at least, I would say, 7 months and more. This is not going to be something like 1 month old and shit. Okay, I don't feel that way. Okay, regarding your person's energy, I still feel like your person in some which way is holding back, not really giving you a basic idea as to what's happening in their life currently. Like this person does not want to give you entirely a proper pattern as to what's up with them or what's going on or what they are up to. This person is wanting to keep things hidden. Okay, this person feels a very intense connection with you. Every time. Soulmate twin flame is a very intense energy, connection where things are very up and down sometimes, but it is what it is, And I feel like your person right now may be holding back, but that does not, stop them from feeling the pull towards you, feeling that energetic pull towards you. Okay. With top card, with Seven of Wands, even if your person is resisting or restricting themselves from being open to you, they still want you. That's the funny part about the connection. Okay, even if they might be wanting to distance themselves, I still see them very much wanting to be a part of you. Okay, they cannot stop themselves, no matter how much or how hard they try. I still see this person eventually giving in. Okay, trust me on that. So currently, how do they view you now? How does this person view you now? Currently, how does your soulmate twin flame view you now? Your person in some which way views you as someone who is going to not going to basically let down themselves this time. They know what you want, and they know that many of you wanted commitment from this person. You wanted to get married. Okay, if you are already married and if you cannot give them commitment, I believe you wanted something stable. Okay, like something that you could hold on to. You wanted something real with them. Okay, with Hierophant card, you are going to basically going to hold on to your values. Okay, you are not going to let yourself down. They know that you are not going to let yourself down this time. And many of them feel like you are trying to move on from them with the Hierophant and six of swords. They feel like you are moving on to something better, something you dearly deserve. Okay, so that's something. Okay, so give me one. Okay, I'll take this card back. So one card for their intentions towards you now. What's your person up to? What's your person up to regarding this connection? Soulmate twin flame, what's your person up to? Their intentions towards you. Yeah, with Ace of Cups, this person wants to reach back. Okay, this is a sure shot card. In the past, they were very in and out of your life. This person was a player. Okay, very in and out, not wanting to give in, not wanting to commit, wanting to come and go, not wanting to basically give you a promise or anything firm which you could hold on to. Currently, with Ten of Pentacles, many of you guys could shockingly get into union. Okay, with the Star card, this relationship is not ending. Okay, I do not know if you guys watch other twin flame soulmate readings, but I feel that energy is such that after going through something very painful, many of you guys will actually come back to union. That's the funny part of the connection. You fall apart, you come again, you fall apart, you come again, and it goes on basically. So my kind of advice to you would be, don't let things get to like to your head or to your heart. Sometimes twin flame connections is not about commitments, it's about the journey. Okay, not many would want to like listen to my advice, but with time, if you are into this relationship for more than 2 years, you would know exactly what I'm trying to say. Okay, so yeah, so let's take messages from your person now. Messages from your person. Soulmate twin flame, messages from your person. What's your person wanting to say now? What's your person wanting to say? Okay, you are so beautiful. Okay, that's one card. You are so beautiful. This could also mean that not just by looks, but like your soul is so beautiful, your energy is so beautiful, your vibe, your aura is so beautiful. Okay, you are so precious to me. Okay, excuse my handwriting. One last message, what they would want to say, one last message from soulmate twin flame. You are the partner I've been waiting for. Okay, that's crazy shit, right? After putting you through so much. Okay, I would just hurt you more right now. I need to be alone. So that was their past message. I would say you are the partner I've been waiting for. Currently, if they ran away from you or they just got away from you, they did it because they felt like they would hurt you more if they were holding on to you. This might not make sense to many of you, but those who really understand the journey, the relationship, the connection, you guys will literally know what I mean here. I would just hurt you more right now. I need to be alone. The reason why this person like suddenly left is because they felt like they would hurt you. They did not want to hurt you. Okay, with the Lovers card, this person would never ever forget you. With the Devil, they have a very strong sexual attraction towards you. With the Two of Wands, this person has tried to literally break free from you at least 2 times, but wasn't possible. Like they weren't successful. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for soulmate twin flames for the next, let's take 48 hours. So if it resonates with you, please be kind enough to hit the like button. Your every like helps the channel to grow. I hope you are grateful to the channel and my reading, just like the way I'm grateful for your presence and your support. If you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. Yeah, all those who are wanting to basically donate to the channel, if you wish to, then the link is below, the donation link. All those who are wanting a personal reading, you'll have to wait for a while, like 10 days. I'm currently busy. All those who have already booked a reading, I'll be giving it to you by tomorrow. That's the 19th. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.